Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes, then we will start the class.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
ma'am. We have to write the day also.
I will let you know what to write, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute. Okay. So we are going to start our class. Children, take out your maths notebook, maths classwork notebook. Revision is done. Now start revising at home also your chapters. Okay. Dheer, just take care and listen if you can listen the class, and please sit properly. Vedi, sit properly at your place. Everyone, please open your notebooks. So today we are going to, as you know, we have done last few days before, we have started the chapter number 9, which is halves and quarters.
Quarter.
Halves and quarters, which is related with the fraction,
Acha.
right?
Fraction.
Fraction, you all know what is fraction. Fraction is a
Yes.
part of a whole.
Whole.
Fraction means part of a
Part
Whole.
of a whole.
होल. किसी कंप्लीट चीज में से अगर उसका पार्ट निकाल देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शन. एंड फ्रैक्शन वी राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर.
Denominator.
Upper
Denominator.
number is called numerator and the down number is called
Denominator.
denominator, right? So you all are aware that, wait, you all are aware, if I write the fraction like this, so you know that this is called numerator
And the
and
down
this
one
is
is
called denominator.
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 So what do you think about 2 upon 3? Means I am talking about how much part. If I write 2 upon 3, what do you, who will explain me? Raise your virtual hand. What do you mean by this 2 upon 3? Those who have joined late, again I repeat, I'm not doing the revision today. Revision is complete from my side. We have already revised all the chapters 4, 5, 6, 7. Now revise at home, complete it, and then you have to give your assessment, which is on the 1st October, Friday. Now again I am doing the chapter number 4. We are going to continue the chapter number 9, which is halves and quarters. Now I'm asking 2 upon 3. You said 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. So 2 upon 3 means what? Who will explain me what do you mean by
Ma'am,
this?
I.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Pragya.
Pragya. Ma'am, 2 upon 3 means there is three type of things and we are doing two part of it.
Suppose there is a pizza and you have divided into 3 parts.
Yes, ma'am. And
1, 2, and
I
3. Out of these 3 parts, total 3 parts, how many you are eating?
two.
2. So this means 2 upon 3 means out of total 3 parts, you are talking about the 2 parts. And it can be in any form. Suppose there is a chocolate, you did 3 parts and you ate 2 parts.
Ma'am
And
means
equal
I have.
division. Equal
Ma'am
division is contraction. Yes, Pragyan?
means I have three parts of anything and I
Yes.
have two upon it.
Two parts you ate out of
And
the total 3 parts.
okay.
And 3 parts also be done in a equal parts, not unequal. You cannot say that one part is this much and these 2 parts. This is not the proper fraction. All 3 parts are not equally divided. Clear? Fraction means when you are dividing anything, When you are taking the part of a whole, that part is equally divided. अगर कोई part इसमें से, if you are taking two parts and that two parts should be equally. Got it? Clear, everyone? So this is clear to you all. Now children, when you see different types of fractions, for example, if you see somewhere in the book this upon this, 1 upon this, 4 upon 8, these type of different fractions, where you can see 2 upon 3, means out of total 3 parts you ate 2, out of total 5 parts you ate 1, out of total 8 parts you ate 4, and suppose sometimes you will get 4 upon 3. Is that possible?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No.
कि टोटल 3 पार्ट्स के उसमें से आपने 4 किए?
No, ma'am.
No, mom.
नहीं ना. So
No.
this is called the improper fraction, and then improper fraction we will learn it how to convert it into the proper, how to convert it into the mixed. There are different types of fraction. So this is called improper because it is not proper fraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not proper fraction because out of total 3 parts you cannot eat the 4 parts, no?
Yeah.
So this is called the improper fraction.
Sure.
So you know what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to learn different types of fraction. What are we going to learn today?
Different
Different types of fraction.
Different types of
Ma'am,
Yes.
in this week assignment will be
What?
In
Yeah,
this
but
week,
today in this week what?
in this week assignment
Assessment is on Friday, 1st October. So now whatever I will write here on the board, the different types of the fraction, you listen to it. First, listen and then I'll give you a time to write. First type of fraction is a unit fraction. Who will tell me what do you understand by the word unit? If you have heard somewhere, unit fraction. Yes, Hare.
Ma'am, in book there will come unit 1, unit 2.
So what do you mean by the word unit? Anyone knows the word unit means? Unit means 1. Right? Unit means 1. So the fractions with numerator as 1 are called unit fractions. For example, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3 means denominator can be any number. Any denominator can be any number, but numerator, if there is a 1, then it is a unit fraction. Means out of total 6 parts, you are talking 1. 5, you are talking about the 1 part. Out of total 4 parts, you are talking about the 1 part. Out of total 3 parts, means it is compulsory the numerator should be 1. That fraction is a unit fraction. Okay? Clear, everyone? Denominator can be any number. Denominator can be any number. Means out of total 100 parts, you eating 1 part. So when 1 upon 100, that fraction is a unit fraction because the numerator is 1. Am I clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So please copy it down in your notebooks now and write today's date and write the heading types. Wait, I will erase this. Write the heading types of fraction. Because when you learn about this complete fraction, you will get the different types of fraction. So you should easily can identify that this fraction is which fraction, right? because there are many students in the school. Until I will not know about the student that this child is in which class, so can I put that child into that class?
No.
No. So it's same in the fraction also. There are many fractions. But until you are not aware about the fraction, will you categorize them that this is which fraction?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So same way we have to categorize them into different groups. So this is the one type of the fraction, which is the unit fraction. And unit fraction means the fraction with the numerator as 1 are called the unit fractions. Write it fast.
Ma'am, we have
Ashkeshwani, Pragyan, Kritika, Lakshya, Aravapani, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, you have write in the board. We have to write this.
Yes, yes. Write today's date, write types of fraction, and start writing.
Ma'am, I have rejoined. My camera is not on.
Rejoin then. Asta, stable your camera, please.
I rejoined one time. Ma'am,
Again, rejoin.
now can I write examples more than 4?
Yeah, you can write example and give me examples also. Yes, Dhwani, can you give me one more example of unit fraction?
Ma'am, we have
Yes,
to write
ma'am.
in notebook.
Yes, please. Fast. Yes, Dhwani.
Yep.
Give me one example of unit fraction.
Ma'am, I have a dairy milk and it has 6 pieces and I ate one.
Hmm.
Now I have 5 pieces.
No. So what is the fraction?
Fraction is 1.
1 upon 6 is the fraction.
6.
Because out of total 6 parts, you eating the
Ma'am,
one
can
part.
I say 1?
And 1 upon 6 is the fraction, which is the example of unit fraction.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, 1 upon 10.
Yes. What do you mean by the 1 upon 10 means?
Ma'am, unit fraction.
That is the part of a unit fraction. But can you give me one example with the 1 upon 10? Like Dhwani has given that she did the 6 parts. Hmm.
I have a pizza. I cut it in 10 equal parts. I ate 1 part. So the fraction will be 1 upon 10.
Very good. And that 1 upon 10 is an example of which type of fraction?
Unit
Unit
fraction.
Yes, Arush. Don't eat nails, Arush.
I have one chocolate. There is 30 piece. I have eaten only 1 piece. A fraction is 1 upon 29.
1 upon 30. Total to over there 30, no? Total will not change. Got it? Moksh Patel joining late.
Example.
Moksh Patel, you know the class timing, no? I hope. Yes,
ma'am.
yes, Jignesh. Or Arush, after giving the answers, lower down your hands. Yes, Jignesh.
Ma'am, can I say an answer? Yes.
I will come to you.
Ma'am, your camera is blurred.
Is my camera blurred, students?
No, ma'am, clear. Ma'am, clear.
I
I have a dairy milk chocolate of 8 pieces. I have 1 piece to my friend, so it's 1 upon 8.
Hmm. And 1 upon 8 is an example of unit fraction. Yes, Pragyan. Please
Ma'am,
complete it as soon as I will complete with the examples. I will go to the next type of fraction.
Done, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Pragyan.
have to say unit fraction, no?
Ritika,
Ma'am,
yes, I can see you. Yes, example of unit fraction.
Ma'am, I am Manchurian having 6 pieces. I
What you
ate
have?
1. I have a Manchurian having 6 pieces. I ate 1 of them. So 1 upon 6.
Yes, we have.
Ma'am, I have one toy which split into 4 pieces. but
तो आई
it
को
is
कैसे काटोगी बच्चा?
no, ma'am. It is meant
Okay,
to
say
split.
okay, meant to. Okay, like cube and then the parts.
I
Okay.
took one piece and took it to play with my friends. So the fraction of the 4, it will be 1/4.
Okay. Yes, Pritika.
I have a chocolates of 30 pieces.
Hmm.
I have a chocolate of 10 pieces, and
Hmm.
I give to my friend one
One
piece,
thing.
so it will be 1/10.
Hmm. Yes, Asta.
Yes, ma'am. In a square, 3 are 100 equal part.
One thing.
In this, one part have black and other are white. So the black color part is fraction is 1/100.
Very good. Excellent. Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, one thing.
Ma'am, can I give an
Hmm.
example?
Yes, Jignesh, I can see.
Ma'am,
Has written
see.
many examples. Okay. Yes, Lakshya, give me the example, then I will move to the next
Ma'am, I have also
topic.
written many examples.
Yes, give me. Hmm.
I have 40 chocobars
Hmm.
and I gave my friend 10 chocobars. So 10
Then,
fraction will be 10/40.
do you know 10 upon 40 can also be written as 1 upon 4? But that you will learn later on. I need the fraction with 1 upon, the numerator should be 1. Bacha, this is also right, but that you will learn in the next steps,
Ma'am,
right?
can I say one more?
10 upon 40 will be converted into 1 upon 4. But right now you are not aware how to convert it, right? So you give me the fractions with the unit fraction, that is the numerator 1. Done, everyone? Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can I say one example?
Yes, I have given no chance, Shivani. I will give you the
No,
next.
can say one example.
Which child?
Harsh.
Yes, Hush.
I have 2 chocolates
Hmm.
and I gave my brother 1 chocolate.
Hmm.
And I have now 1 chocolate. So the fraction will be uh, 1/2.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in unit fraction, 1/1 will be there. 1/1.
1 upon 1, like 3 upon 1, right? This will come, for example, 1 upon 1 will go in the proper fractions. That we will learn in the next types.
Okay.
Now come to the proper fraction. Second fraction is called a proper fraction. What do you think? Like I told you the meaning of the improper fraction, the fraction which is not proper, which is not possible, means you can, it is not possible from 3 parts, you can give 4 parts. Can you give me some example of the proper fraction?
Ma'am, of proper fraction.
Yeah.
Can I give?
Yes, Jignesh.
Ma'am, when means proper fraction like it that will give. I have 12 pieces. No, no, I have 12 cards.
Hmm.
I gave half cards to my friend. I gave 6 cards to my friend. So
So
it's 6/12.
it will, yes, it's possible, right? From out of 12 you give 6, so it's possible. The
Proper.
fraction which is possible, that out of 7 I give 3, out of 8 I give 5, out of 9 I give 9, then also it is possible, right? 9 thi 9 ki 9 hi de di, right? Then also it is possible. The fraction which is possible to do, then it is a proper fraction. So the definition is fraction fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator whose numerator is less than the denominator.
Mama, the numerator is T E
N
R
U
or
M
O
U
R?
R O R NUMERATOR is less than the denominator are called.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you slide your board to left? Yes.
Ma'am, in denominator after D it is I or E?
DENOMINATOR DE are called proper fractions. For example, and you write this line also. They are always smaller than 1. Smaller than 1. 1 means the complete thing. उनका जब आंसर है वो लेस देन 1 होगा तो ही वो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. बिकॉज फ्रैक्शन कब है? जब हम पार्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. जब वो कंप्लीट 1 हो जाएगा देन इट विल बी द होल. तो फ्रैक्शन तो रहा ही नहीं.
Coming in between.
And the second one I have written.
Suppose if I have done 3 parts of anything and I have given 3 total parts and I have given 3 to my friend. 3 में से 3 ही देती है उसको. Yes, Jignesh. Wait a minute, Jignesh. Let me explain, then I'll pin you. Put it down. I have done 3 parts of a cake and I have given all the 3 parts to my friend. Means I have given all the complete to my friend. Then it will not be a fraction, no. तो वो fraction रहेगा ही नहीं. So always, because 3 upon 3, when you simplify it, it will become 1. 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. So 1 means the complete whole thing. Then it is not a fraction. But fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator means the upper number, which is, suppose if I do 2, then I'll do 3. Means the numerator which is less than the denominator. So this is the proper fraction. Because out of total 3, 2 parts are possible to do it. Right?
Can I write my own example?
Yeah, please write the other example out of own. Yes, Jignesh, let me pin you and see. Jignesh has given. Jignesh, what you have written, can you read them?
Yes.
The examples?
12 upon 24, 24 upon 48, and 48 upon 96.
These are possible fractions.
Yes.
And these, the way you have written, no, 12 upon 24, 6 upon 12,
Yes.
12 upon 12 upon
12 upon 24.
24. That we will learn in this. These are the equivalent fractions. Same fractions, and when you simplify them, you said 6 upon 12, 12 upon 24. So when you simplify 6 to 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24. These are the 1 upon 2 fraction, which is the equivalent fraction. That is another type of a fraction.
Okay.
So आपको identify करना आना चाहिए that this is which type of fraction. That is why we are learning the types of the fraction. Yes,
Ma'am, can I see example?
yes, Shivani, give me one example. Then I will talk about the Pritika. Pritika has given out of 1
Nine,
upon 5, 12 upon 20 upon 22. Yes, because the
nine.
fraction which is possible is the proper fraction. And but remember, it should be less than the 1. It cannot be 20 upon 20, 12 upon 12, because when it is the same number in the denominator and the numerator, then it will be complete whole. Then it is not the fraction. तब तो वो fraction रहेगा ही नहीं. Got it, everyone? तो वो complete whole thing हो जाएगी. 3 parts में से मैंने 3 ही दे दिए किसी को. Suppose if I talk about 4 upon 4, then it will be the complete whole. It is not the type of it is not an example of a proper fraction.
Ma'am, shall I
Yes.
get one?
Ma'am, 12 upon 24 and 16 upon
Yes,
32.
yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, 9 upon 18.
Excuse me,
Hmm.
Then 12 upon 24.
Hmm.
42 upon 84.
Okay.
16
The
upon
same you children are
16 upon
giving
32.
the examples of the equivalent fraction, but okay, this comes in the proper fractions also, because the proper fraction is saying that the numerator should be less than the denominator. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
Can I have written different examples from yours?
Yeah, can you give me
10 upon 5.
10 upon 5?
10 upon 5.
Wrong. 10 upon 5 can't be
5
example of
upon
a
10, sorry.
5 upon 10. Yes.
5 upon 10. 51 up. 52 upon 104.
Hmm.
16 upon 32. 22 upon 44.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have write 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2,
Hmm.
2 upon 4,
Hmm.
4 upon 8,
Hmm.
2,
Got.
2.5 upon 5,
2.5 will not be come in the fraction. 2.5 you will learn in the mixed fraction. That is the another type of fraction. So 2 upon 5 will be 2 whole number 1 upon 2. That too also you will learn in the next type of a fraction. So don't confuse yourself. Okay.
3 upon
Just
6.
remember. Yeah. 3 upon 6. Yes.
6.
Yeah. So always remember that your numerator should be less than the denominator, then it is a proper fraction. So when I give you a group of fractions, now this is done, everyone. Can I erase this? Yeah. So till now, how many types of fractions we have done? How many types of fractions we have done right now?
2 times.
Two types. One is
Unit fraction.
Proper
Unit fraction and
one is unit fraction.
proper fraction.
One is unit fraction and the another one is proper fraction. Suppose now I am writing lots of fractions, okay?
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Within 1 or 2 seconds it will be okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Now it's
no, it's not blurred.
So I have given you these types of different fractions. And now I am asking you, the question is circle or tick or find out the unit fractions out of the given fractions. Don't write this. This is just an example we are sharing.
On first
Circle
one.
the unit fractions out of all the given fractions. Yes, Pritika.
1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5.
1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5. Yes, Muhammad Momin. Is there any other
Yes,
fraction
ma'am.
which is the unit fraction? 1 upon. So these are the three fractions which are the examples of unit fraction. So when you get the questions in your exams or in your worksheet, you will get this type. You have to identify, you have to find out the different types of fractions from the group of different fractions. Am I clear?
Yes,
बहुत
ma'am.
सारे फ्रैक्शंस होंगे, आपको पहचानना है कि इसमें से यूनिट फ्रैक्शन कौन सा है, आपको पहचानना है कि इसमें से प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कौन सा है. क्लियर टिल हियर? जैसे कि आप क्लास में जाते हो, when there are grade 3 के grade 4 A B C, all students are together, but we have given you the sections A B C, but if you are there in the ground, assembly ground together, so we teachers can easily identify, no, कि grade 4 A के बच्चे कौन से हैं, grade 4 B के बच्चे कौन से हैं, grade 4 C के बच्चे कौन से हैं. Same way, if you have learned about the fractions, you can easily take out, no, कि which are the unit fractions, उसमें से निकाल सकते हो ना. You can easily take out which are the proper fractions. So if I give you more fractions, इसी में ही मैं ऐड कर देती हूँ. So can you take out the proper fractions from there? Proper fractions from the given fractions? Raise your virtual hand. Proper means जो possible है fraction, कि हाँ इतने denominator से इतना numerator possible है. That is the proper fraction. Yes, Arav Hapani. Mic is mute.
13/20.
Okay. कोई और भी दिख रहा है मोहम्मद मोमिन जो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है?
मैम 20, मैम 15, मैम 15.
Say the complete
25,
fraction.
25, 20.
Say the complete fraction. 25 और 15 नहीं है, ये 15/25 is the complete fraction. Yes, this is also proper piece. 25 parts में से 15 parts possible है करना.
I can say.
Yes, Jignesh. Is there any other fraction which is the proper fraction?
I can say 7/20.
Yes, out of 20 parts, you can give 7 parts to someone. That is also proper fraction. Yes, yes, Astha. Is there any other fraction which is the proper fraction?
Yes, ma'am. 15/25.
Is done. 15/20 is done. This is a proper. This is also the example of proper. This is also the example of proper fraction. Is there any other? ये दो बचे हैं. Is there any other fraction
Ma'am,
which is the proper fraction?
35/65.
मैं है ही नहीं 35/65 तो इसमें.
Bye.
From my given fractions.
Ma'am, no one.
Nothing. So जो बचे हुए हैं इनको क्या नाम देंगे हम?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
They are improper because they are not proper. 50 में से 75 pieces करना possible नहीं है, right? 40 में से 42 pieces करना possible नहीं है देना किसी को. I cannot. I have only 40. So will it be possible for me to give Jignesh 42 pieces? So in that case, we will learn it how it is possible also. That we will learn in the another types of fraction. That will be possible. But right now, is it possible? Out of 40 pieces, you can give 42 to someone? No. Out of 50, you can give 75 to someone? No. So this type of fractions are called improper fractions. So now again, I'm going to write the definition of the improper fraction. Write it in your notebook. There are 5 to 6 different types of fraction. Maybe we can complete till 3 only, and next class we will complete the another type of fractions. Today we will complete till 3. 3 different types of fractions. So the third is
Improper.
improper. I am im, P-R-O-P-E-R, proper, improper fraction. Write the F in the F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. What happened?
We have to underline that.
It's up to you. I have underlined just to make you highlight it. Okay. So now write the definition. Fractions. Fractions where the numerator is greater than or equal to
Denominator.
the denominator are called improper fractions. They are always greater than the one whole complete. Always greater than.
Mom, numerator
Greater than.
is greater than
Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator means the upper number is always greater than the denominator. Then it's a improper.
I was asking because you have not written denominator.
I've written no fractions where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. मैं अभी explain करूंगी what does the equal to means. Equal to the denominator are called improper fraction. They are always greater than or, I'm writing it here up. They are always greater than or equal to 1. ये लाइन उसके बाद कंटिन्यू करने हैं. Always greater than or equal to 1. I will explain you what does this mean. Fractions where the numerator is greater than denominator is clear to you all. But how it is equal to also? For example, 3/3. Right? Out of 3 parts, you have given the 3 parts. Means the numerator and the denominator both are equal. Then it is not a. Then it is
Proper.
then it is also a improper fraction. It is not a proper fraction. It is example of improper fraction because then it is converted into the whole, and whole is also not the proper
Ma'am,
fraction.
can you write after greater than?
Greater than or equal to 1 written here.
Ma'am, after they are, what have you written down?
Called improper fractions.
No, ma'am, they are. After they are.
we don't have to write the examples.
They are always.
Okay, ma'am.
What are you saying?
Examples.
We have to write now example. 5/3 means out of total 3 parts, 5s are not possible. So this is the example of improper fraction. 4/4, out of 4 parts, if you give 4 parts to someone, it will be the complete one whole thing you have given. So means this is also the example of improper fraction. Fraction means जब आप किसी का part कर सको, आपने part ही नहीं किया, complete whole ही किसी को दे दिया. 4/4 means 1. When we simplify them, 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. You have given the complete pizza to someone, and then it is not a fraction. So we will say it is an improper fraction. When numerator and denominator are same, then also it is the example of improper. And when numerator is greater than the denominator, then also it is an example of improper. Yes, Jignesh. Let me pin you. Jignesh, you have given 60/60, right? 60/30.
Ma'am, 50/10, 60/50, 40/10, or 30/20.
I'll give one example where the numerator and denominator also same.
Ma'am, see,
That is also the example of improper. Yes, Vani, can you read your examples?
yes, ma'am. 5/3, 40/3, 4/6, 2/1, and 9/8.
Ma'am, can I
9/8. Yes.
Ma'am, can I also read my example?
Yes. Yes. Only Shivani
I have
will
a
give,
doubt.
then we end up the class.
No, ma'am, I
Now,
have a doubt.
Banana, nice.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, in this improper fraction, we write 4/4, so it will be wrong or right?
It will be whole. फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है? जब किसी का पार्ट
Yes.
है ना, 4 में से 4 ही दे दिए तो मीन्स आपने पार्ट थोड़ी किया, आपने तो कंप्लीट थिंग दे दी, पूरा ही दे दिया. 4 पार्ट्स थे, 4 के 4 ही दे दिया. When 4/4 means it's a complete whole. Whole is not a fraction, so it is an improper fraction.
ma'am, can I say my examples?
Yes, Shivani will say, then we end up the class.
9/3, 16/40,
9/16/40. Okay.
90/10,
Okay. Thank you.
10/10.
10/10. Yes.
Bye, ma'am. Have a